What's the formula for this? That's what, a plus b into a minus. Yes, you have to check all the values, students. A square, the first one should be square, second one should also have a perfect square numbers. Fine, you take any question, for example, second question, 25x square minus 64y square. Check the number, 25 is a perfect square. How can I write 25? How do you convert this to square? X the whole square. And for 64, now use this formula. It becomes 5x plus 8y, 5x minus 8y. Okay, this is one type. I'll just explain 2-3 concepts. I'll give you a few questions. Right? The next type is where you have to multiply. Fifth question. Look at the fifth one. 32x square minus 18y square. Is 32 and 18 perfect square? Are they perfect square? No. Try this question. Use normal factorization. First, find the factors of 32 and 18. Okay, what's the answer? 2 into 16 and 9. Anything apart from this? So take 2. What do you get in the bracket, students? X square minus 9 y square. Yes. Yeah, Delicia, why are you late, Delicia? 11:30 the class starts. Next, factorize this. What do you all get if you factorize? What do you get for this student? 16, you can write it as 4x whole square minus 3y the whole square. Yes. Then 2 remains as it is. Just ignore the 2. Write this as 4x plus 3y into 4x minus 3y. Is Delicia online? Can you unmute the call, Delicia? Yeah, keep your video on. Turn on the video. You don't even answer. I don't know what you are doing. Be quick, Delicia. Turn on the video. Okay, next. See, this is second type of question, students, where there won't be any nor values to factor. Yes, unmute the call, Delicia. Do you remember this exercise? We use a square minus b square concept, factorization. What is a square minus b square formula? Yeah, tell me what is a square minus b square? Yes, I need the answer. This is a simple formula, Delicia. If you don't remember this, then what did you do in your midterm? It's a simple formula, right? Tell me, do you want to attend or what? Want to attend this class? What is a square minus b square? It's a simple basic concept, Delicia. From past 2 months, we have studied what is a the formula for a square minus b square. Okay, you do one thing, you leave this class, you go through the recording. I'll talk to you later, Delicia. You can leave. You sleep, you wake up late, not attentive. Why do you want to join? Yeah, you can leave, Delicia. You attend from tomorrow. You attend bit early, log in on time, and you can attend. Fine. Go through the formulas and you attend tomorrow. Others, x to the power of 4 and 81 is given, students. How do you convert this? You have to convert in terms of a square and b square. What is this? How do you convert? See, outside I need square. Even here, 81. What is the square for 81? 9. See, outside there is 2 here and 2. Inside, what should I write? So that, yes, inside I should write square. So that when I multiply, are we getting 4? Right? If you multiply, we are getting 4. Now, for this question, how do you solve this question? Outside, yes, you can. Outside, we need 2. First, put 2, and what is the perfect square for a 64? If outside there is 2, what should I put inside? What value should I write? So the answer for this is x4 plus 8 into x4 minus 8. In the same way, here x square minus x square plus 9 into x square minus 9. This is the answer. Understood how to solve when the degrees are given? Anything about 2, 4? Try the ninth question, students. Try the ninth one, x cube minus 5x square. What's the basic concept we use? What's the first thing we do? You check if anything is common, right? There are 4 terms here. How do you solve this question when there are 4 terms? You have to group it into. Yes, try this. Take out the common factors and do it. Yes. Yeah, you can rearrange x5 that side. First try yeah, yeah. First try doing it directly, Ananya. Then you can rearrange it. See, first try doing it directly, students. Then you can rearrange. You can write x cube minus x minus 5x square plus 5. Okay. Yes, got the answer? Look here. First, I'll solve this. Try it both the way, Ananya, Aileen. So in this one, x square is which is common? I is which one has lowest degree? X square, right? X minus 5. And what is common here? I mean, what's the first sign? We have x. If nothing is common, what we do, students? What you're supposed to take, right? 1. Remember this. If nothing is common, take 1. X minus 5. Okay, you get x minus 5. Now, what is common to them? X minus 5 into x square minus 1. See, 1 is also a perfect square number. 1 is also a perfect square. I can write it as x into 5. How can I write this x square? Can I write x square minus 1 square? Right? Now x minus 5 remains as it is. These two steps are very important. If you just leave it like this, you'll get 1 mark. Till here it is 1 mark. You have to complete it. A square minus b square, x plus 1 into x minus 1. So mark this as important. Which one is this? Which question is that? 12th one. Okay, so complete this. Next, look at the screen. If you rearrange and solve x cube, x is common, you get x square minus 1. And your minus is the first sign. 5 is common. You get x square minus 1. Next, x square minus 1 into x minus 5. This x square minus 1 you can write it as x square minus 1 square. A square minus b square. So that becomes x plus 1 into x minus 1 into x minus 5. Is this clear? Did you all understand? All of you all? Okay. See, they might give questions like this, students. Look here. This 1 is very important number when it comes to a square minus b square factorization. Remember this 1, number 1. They can even give you like this, x4 minus 1, x to the power of 10 minus 1. So you have to factorize this. How do you factorize x4 minus 1? How do you factorize this? I have to write what? Square the whole square minus 1 can be written as 1 square. And here, this one, what should I put in so that I get 10? 5. Just divide. Take this 2 and divide by 10. 10 divided by 2 is what? 5. 5 should be inside 1 square. Now what's the answer, students? What's the answer for this? X square minus 1 into x square plus 1. Right? We haven't completed. The answer is incomplete. We can further factorize. Which part can I factorize in the first question? Which part can we factorize? See, what's the answer for this? Tell me the answer for this. You get x square minus 1 into, sorry, x square plus 1 into x square minus 1. What is A and what is B here? Tell me what is A. A is equals to, A is what? Not x, x square. Whatever is there inside is A, right? So what is A plus B? What is A plus B? What's the formula? A plus B into A minus B. What is A value, students? Tell me the value of A. X square plus 1 into. Here again we have to factorize. Which one can we factorize? The first bracket or second bracket? This is incomplete. Second one, yes. You have to further factorize this. See, this 4 is a very important number. X to the power of 4, you have to factorize twice. X square plus 1 remains as it is. What can I write this x square minus 1? Can I write it as x square minus 1 square? Right? How do you further factorize x square minus 1 square? What is A and what is B here? A is x, B is 1. So what is A plus B into A minus B, students? X plus 1 into x minus 1. Yeah, make a note of this question. All these are not there in textbook. Shall we try the next question? Next type. No. Next one. See, all these questions are for practice students. These are for practice. So I'll just pick the important ones. 11th question. How do you solve the 11th? 9 into, see, this is the third type where a common value will be given. How can you convert 9? See, how many terms are there? First, tell me how many terms are given here. This is one term and this is second term, right? Two terms. Anything common? First, check with the numbers. Is anything common here? No, nothing is common. So, how do you factorize 9? How do you write 9? You have to write it as 3 square b plus 2a the whole square. Can you see degree is same for both square and square? So, you have to multiply this 3 with both inside. What do you get? 3b plus 3 twos are a the whole square. Minus. How do you write this, students? 4. 2a the 2a the whole square. Now you can use a square minus b square. There are two ways to do this. You can use a square minus b square, or can you see this separate one? The first one, which formula can we use here? How does this look like? First, you have to analyze what to do. You can use a plus b the whole square, or this entire thing you can consider it as a square. This entire thing you just write it like this: a square. This entire thing as b square. A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus. What is a and what is b, students? Tell me what is a here? 3b plus a. And we have plus here. Plus what is b value? B value is 2a. Next, 3b plus 6a minus b. What is b? 2a. This term we solve. So you don't have to use a plus b the whole square here. That is lengthy process. You can directly use a square. This part is very important. This part. Okay. Before doing this, can you tell me this one? 25 is outside common value. How do you bring it inside? You multiply 25 or what? The degree is 2 here. So what should you how will you convert this 25, students? 5 square. Then what you have to do? This 5 you have to multiply, right? So you don't have to write it separately. Don't write separately. Directly multiply 5 inside. You get 5a square. 5 threes are 15b the whole square. You get it like this. 5a the whole square plus 15b the whole square. Okay, now complete this question. Complete this and try the 10th one. If you have done with this, try the 10th one. Try the 10th one and try the 13th one. 13. How many questions are there in this main? Did ma'am cancel anything? Okay. 10, 13, 23. Okay, I'll give you 5 minutes time. 4 questions. Try these 4 questions. Is students done? How many questions are completed? Yes. Bhargavi Island, Ananya. Okay. What about Island, Bhargavi? Completed. Is students done? How long? It's been 10 minutes. All of you complete that? Okay. Take 5 minutes break up to 12:45. I'll conduct. Take 5 minutes break. After that, we'll continue. Okay. Shall I solve these questions? All of you online? 10th one. What about Island Ananya online? Okay, 10th one. How did you solve the 10th one, students? Unmute and answer, be quick. 9 is given. How do you put, should this 9 inside? Wrong. It is not 9 10. How many 10 each? Plus k the whole square. This what do you get? Bhargavi, are you concentrating when I'm teaching? A plus b into a minus b. 3x plus 3a plus 2x. Then what do you get here? 3x plus 3a minus. Oh, in the previous question, I forgot to do this. You have to add the like term, students. What is 3 plus 2? 5x plus 3. And here, x plus 3a. This is the answer. So when 9 is given, don't multiply 9. 9 is the perfect square. You should multiply 3 in x. 13th one. 13th question. 3 minus 12a. See, we know 3 is not a perfect square, 12 is not a perfect square. So first factorize, normal factorization. What is common, students? What is common to them? 3 is common. 1 minus 4, a minus b the whole square. Next, what's the next step? 1 I can write it as 1 square. I told you all 1 is an important number. 1 square minus this 4, if you shift it inside, what do you get? You can't shift 4. What is the perfect square for 4? So you have to shift 2 inside. What do you get? 2a minus 2b the whole square. Next, 3 into 1. Fine, fine. I'll do the 30th. But next, look at the 12th one. 12th and 13th, almost the same. I'll do that next. Fine. 1 plus 2a minus 2b into 1 minus 2a. When you open the bracket, you should get minus into minuses plus 2b. This is how you solve it. Find 2 inside. Okay, let me solve the 14th one. This is, sorry, this is 12th, 13th one. 12 and 13 are same. Next, 50a square minus 2 into b minus c the whole square. So 50 and 2, what is common, students? What is common for 50 and 2? 2 is common. What do you get inside the bracket? 25a square minus, like this. Next, 25a square can be written as 5a the whole square minus b minus c the whole square. Okay, in that, what is a and what is b? Can you tell me what is a and b, students? What is a here? A is equals to 5a. What is b? B is equals to b minus c. 2 remains as it is. A plus b into a minus b. So for a plus b, it is 5a plus b minus c into a minus b. If you want to subtract it, it becomes, look here, a minus b is nothing but 5a minus b minus c. When you open the bracket, what do we get here? When you open this bracket, you get minus b plus c. Minus b plus c. This is the final answer. If it is wrong, write it. Practice later. 13th is done. 23rd. Shall we do the 23rd question? This is how you solve 13th one. See, from next week onwards, I'll be including all this for homework students, for homework as well as test. So no more revision. Till final exam, you'll have to remember these topics. Okay, next one. 23rd question. 4x square y minus 9y cube. 4 is a perfect square, 9 is a perfect square. But x and y are not perfect, students. The x is a perfect square, perfect value. Okay, degree is 2. But y doesn't have degree 2. So what's the first step we do? How did you solve this? What's the first step? Very good. Y common. Y common, what do you get? 4x square minus 9. 2x the whole square minus 3y the whole square. So 2x plus 3y into, what's the answer? 2x minus 3y. Okay, next 24th question. 9x to the power of 4. See, if you're thorough with this 4b, students, 4c is also easy. It is similar to 4b, but we use a plus b the whole cube. Sorry, a cube plus b cube concept. So you should know the basics in 4b. 9x4 minus x square minus 12x minus 36. Group these two like this. Okay, once you group, take out the least number. What is the common factor here? What is common? X square is common. And in bracket, what do you get? 9x square minus 1. And here 12 minus is common, right? In bracket, I mean minus and what? What else? Tell me what is common, students. Factorize 12 and 36. Factorize this. 2 6s are 2 18s are. 2 3s are 2 9s are 3 1s are 3 3s are. Isn't it 12? Are we getting 12 here? X plus 3. You get x plus 3. Fine, nothing common. You can y4 highest common factor. See, this step you can even do it like this. Instead of taking common factor, students, we have minus here. Can I write it as 3x square the whole square minus x the whole square, right? And we'll keep this as it is, minus 36. Here 3x square plus x into 3x square minus x. Here minus is first sign and 12 is common. Bhargavi, 12 is common to both. 12 is common, you get x minus 3, students, x minus 3. Okay, actually this is a complicated question, like this, you can't solve it like this. Okay, skip this, student, just skip this 23rd till whatever you have practiced, whatever we did, that is enough. Skip this 24th. Before the exam we'll try this. This one is tough. 24th one. Now 4C. Tell me the formula. Another 10 minutes. What's the formula for A cube plus B cube? Unmute the call and answer. A cube plus B cube. What's the answer? A plus B into A plus B square minus AB. Make a note of this. Be quick. A minus B into A square plus B square plus AB. Whenever you have degree 3, whenever there is degree 3, use this step, this concept. Okay, look at the third question. No, second question. 8A cube is given, 27B cube. 8 is a perfect cube, students. How do you write 8? What is the cube for 8? Yes, 2A the whole cube plus whole cube. Tell me the answer for this. Use the first formula. What is A plus B here? 2A plus 3B into, what is A square, students? A square is 4A. B square is 9B square. Minus, what is A into B? Multiply 2A into 3B. What do you get? 6. 6AB is the answer. This is how you solve. When there is plus, use A plus A cube plus B cube. When there is minus, A cube minus B cube. Yes. Try this. Check once. And let me know if you have any doubts in this. Oh. I want you all to try. Sixth question. Will you all try? What is the cube root for 216 students? What's the cube root for 216? 6, not 16. Okay. First try the seventh one. 7 is not a perfect cube. Take 7 outside first. Try the seventh one. Then sixth one. Two questions. Seventh and sixth. No, no, let me give one minus question as well. 7, 6 and 13. Total 3 questions. 7, 6, 12 students. 7, 6 and 12. Try 7, 6, 12. Okay, how many questions have you done? Just a minute. Done. Okay, this seventh I'll just quickly solve. Why did I give seven? I got to give fourth. Okay, I'll mark few questions today. Yesterday I couldn't mark. Today I'll mark. I'll write few questions for homework answer. Now seventh one. For sixth question, 216 x cube plus 1 by 27. So 6x the whole cube plus, how will you write this? How will you write 1 by 27? Very good. 1 by 3 cube. So this is a cube plus b cube. A plus b into a square. What is a square? Yes, 36x square plus a square plus b square. 1 by 9 minus a into b. What is minus a into b, students? 6x into 3. You have to reduce this. Before writing, you have to reduce it. Even the what you get? Very good. You have to reduce. Remember that. Reduce and write it. Do the work calculation in the working column. Sixth is done. Seventh question. And attend tomorrow's class. Will start few from area and circumference. Sixth question is done. Seventh one. A to the power of 6, B to the power of 6. Okay, I need 3 outside. So how do I write 3 students? If I want 3 outside, what should be written? Very good. A square the whole cube and B square the whole cube. Now what's the answer for this? A plus B. A plus B. If you're getting confused, write the formula. A plus B into A square plus B square minus AB. Now what is A square, students? What is A value? First tell me A value. A to the power of 4. Very good. Plus B to the power of 4 minus A square B square. Yes. So every day you'll have to practice such question. The last moment, all this will be tough. Keep practicing every day. Solve the homework questions. You'll be able to get all the answers right. 12th one. Okay, one negative question. X cube minus 125, you can write it as 5 cube. What's the answer you got for this? X minus 5 into 25. Yes. 5x, not 25x. Plus 5x is the answer. Fine. So for today homework, I will give questions from trigonometry. Go through trigonometry formula once. Basic questions I'll cover: trigonometry, expansion, and Island. Go through yesterday's class, Island recording. Okay, yesterday or yesterday I think I did expansion. Just quick go through that. Factorization, all these 3 exercises I'll give. Factorization. Okay. Questions from these 3 chapters and Pythagoras theorem. Questions from 4 chapters. Fine. Okay, that's it for today. You all can leave, students. Log in at 11:30. If you are late, I'll remove you all from the meeting. Like how I did Delicia, you won't be able to attend. So log in at 11:30. You all can leave.